Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an Instagram story using Canva, and it's for free. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser, then select a profile. Now in the URL box, search for canva.com for opening Canva, or you can directly search on Google. So my network is a bit slow. Now after opening canva.com, just log in with your registered account. If you have not created account, just sign in with your Gmail account. After signing in on canva.com, go to create a design. Now you have to look for Instagram story, so just click on this arrow and okay, now you can see here your story. Click on it. Now the best thing about Canva is it provides you thousands of templates for creating your Instagram story. As you can see here, just search for it. Like for example, it's my sports day, so I will write sports day, and you can see the ideas which Canva suggests me. If it's a national sports day, anything, as you can see here, and I can also change the text. For example, if I want to change my quote on the story, just double click on it and type anything. And you can also change the text of the font of the text. Just click on this and it will recommend you 100 of fonts. Select your uh, favorite one, and after doing all the changes and making up your story, now I will show you how to download this. Just go to shareware option and click on download, and your story will get downloaded. And that's it guys. Now you know how to create a Instagram story in just few minutes, and you can check the thousands of templates, and definitely you will love this. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.